In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I will demonstrate how to duplicate items in your course. To duplicate items in the course, you first need to turn editing on by clicking here on Edit Mode on the top right. Then let's say that you have an activity very similar to this, an assignment activity, where it has the requirements, the brief requirements. It also has the gradebook configuration, where it belongs in unit papers. And instead of you having to create the assignment from scratch every time, you can go to the course and duplicate this assignment or activity. And to duplicate it, all you have to do is you click on the three dots here on the right hand side, the quick menu, while editing is on in the course, and then click on duplicate. You can drag this item down to wherever you need it in another unit in your course by simply holding down the mouse, and then change the title. And then you can go into the settings for this assignment either by using the quick menu, using the settings option on the very top, after you have clicked on the assignment, and then make changes for this particular assignment. So it's saving you some of the steps instead of having to create an assignment from scratch.